Hello my paradise lovers and welcome back to another thrilling episode of the Badass Wife of Costa Rica. I'm your host Sayaka and today we have my original badass wives joining us on a fishing expedition with hooked sports fishing in Playa Flamingo. But before we dive in, let me introduce you my original badass wives of Costa Rica. Shelly the yoga guru. First up is the stunning Shelly. She's from North Carolina and she has just completed her own yoga retreat in Playa Grande. If you're interested, her contact info will be in description below. Fatinisa, the lobster from Colombia. Our next badass is Buddy, a lobster and songwriter originally from Colombia. With her magnetic energy, she's sure to add a touch of rock and roll to our fishing adventure today. Next up, we have the powerhouse Melanie, a personal trainer and workout expert. Melanie is the one responsible for keeping us in shape. And trust me, she's got some killer workouts for us every morning. And of course, yours truly, Sayaka, the host and creator of the Badass Wife of Costa Rica. I am also a 3D architectural designer crafting tropicals and homes in Costa Rica with my lovely husband and our crew.
Okay, so I heard him talk to someone. Did you have to say when we're leaving and why?
Yeah, so when we leave the marina, we inform the guards that we're heading out and let them know we're going fishing. So that way, if there's any issues, they know to send someone out to come look for us. So yeah, and we let them know when we come back in.
Oh, that's good. Safety first. So we're not being kidnapped.
Let me tell you about today's sponsor, Hooked Sport Fishing. They have kindly offered to take us to the sunset and champagne fishing tour, departing from brand new Flamingo Marina. Book online and get 10% discount.
So in the morning, what is the prime fish? Who are the morning?
Wahoos, tunas, in the mornings, dorado as well.
They are not just taking us fishing, they are also providing fantastic lessons to ensure we know what to do when that fish is on the line. We all took turns learning how to reel in those big fish. It was everyone's first time. It looked so easy, but doing it, totally different story. Ian was trying not to laugh while teaching us. My granddaddy was an amazing fisher, but I guess I didn't inherit his fishing talent. But we did finish our practice and all we are doing now is waiting for that big fish. Are we ready for big fish? Let's go fishing!
Feel the fish.
We are fish
Feel the force. Might be the fish be with you. Might be the fish be with you.
I think that's we want lamb.
Lamb.
That was last week. No, last week was turkey. No, last week was turkey. Turkey. We were chasing.
We are waiting for fish on for a while. And guess what? Fish is on! In her first ever fishing experience, Shelly grabbed the reel like a true champ, bending her body like a paw, reeling in the big fish. She was an absolute badass. Unfortunately, the fish slipped away, but Shelly proved she's a natural in the world of fishing. After the thrilling fishing action, we took a moment to soak in the breathtaking Costa Rican sunset. The colors painted across the sky made us stop and remember all the excitement we just had. The laughs, the almost caught fish, and the incredible teamwork. Even though the big one got away this time, we are all pumped up and ready for the next adventure. You better believe it, next time we're going to catch that fish. But the excitement didn't stop there. Ian and John Luke surprised us with a round of champagne and a beautiful sushi plate. The customization you can add is endless, ensuring a unique and unforgettable experience for everyone.
We devoured the sushi, but I wonder who did. She did, Patty. Te comiste todo el sushi. Está buenísimo. It was so good.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible fishing adventure with Hooked Sport Fishing. Don't forget to book online to get 10% discount. The girls have already decided to go on the next fishing trip to catch that big fish. If you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay badass, and we hope to see you in our paradise.
Muy chiquitita.
Yo soy muy tiny. Está hecho a mi medida. Ay,
Me firmo aquí arriba.
¿Hay algo adentro?
You want me to say how to use it?
Perfect.
aquí es donde
Oh, you want to
guardan
get the
todo.